Ready? Start. Friends, Para, I have pleasure in extending to you all a warm and cordial welcome to the annual general meeting of the company. Para, the director's report and the audited statement of account have already been circulated to you, and these have been in your hands for some time now. Para, the current year marks a milestone in the career of your company. For the first time, there is a measure of cheer for you. The board of directors has announced a maiden interim dividend of 5%. Your wait was no doubt long. It is your patience and confidence which helped us immensely to cope with odds which often appeared forbidding. Now, happily, we have turned the corner. Let us look to still better days ahead. Para mini steel plant throughout the country had a long and trying time. There was not enough power to keep going. Many steel plants have suffered the maximum due to power shortage. It was seldom possible to operate the plant at a viable level of capacity utilization. We had a relatively regular supply of power for 2 years, and we are able to improve our performance. The result is that the losses, which had aggregated to almost rupees 60 lakhs by April 1977, have now been completely wiped off. Para, this does not mean that we have entered an era of unending sunshine. Many an old problem persists, newer ones crop up. Power, or rather lack of it, is a running score. There is never enough of it. The shortage in the northern region is one of the tune of 156 million to 27 million units per month. Indeed, power prices are all pervasive. Man and nature have both combined to turn a bad situation into worse. To begin with, the total generating capacity is way behind demand. Then, according to the latest review, actual generation is less than 80%. For thermal plants, there is neither enough nor right type of coal. Year after year, we go on sinking more and more resources into mines, but production remains standstill. Whatever coal is brought up, railways are unable to move. The differences between two limbs of public sector have become rather unseemly. A poor monsoon has reduced the level of reservoirs. As a result, hydel generation also has climbed down. Failure the rains can provide a convenient excuse only for this year. At the root of the problem, however, lies the human failure, poor maintenance of power plants. Para, I have dealt with the power position in some detail because for a furnace like ours, power is a vital essential raw material. On its regular and adequate supply hinges our future. Unfortunately, forecasting about power supply has now moved into the area of astrology. Hence, all we can do is to wait and watch and hope for the best in future. Stop.